HubCity Media is a identity and access management integration firm. We actually help customers implement identity systems across the whole enterprise for whatever purposes they need. My name is Steve Giovanetti. I'm the CTO and founder of HubCity Media. Some projects that we're really proud of over the years. We've done many with ForgeRock. Probably the one I'm the most proud of is we've been specializing a bit almost in retail, but we've dealt with a large multinational cosmetics company that has a mix of retail and on-prem and manufacturing facilities. And we deployed this solution. It went smoothly. The customer is still running that solution today. We're very proud of it. It was one of the largest workforce deployments for ForgeRock, certainly, and just something we're super proud of. With Ping, we recently finished an opportunity with a kind of a very interesting trucking company. They do a lot of very interesting things, innovative things around load management and things like that. And there we integrated several services, DaVinci, Ping Verify, and Ping One, to give them an identity and access management infrastructure to completely modernize how they onboard customers, how they deal with partners, and how loads are managed kind of on the fly with this sort of fast-paced shipping and trucking and logistics organization. What excites us about the ForgeRock and Ping merger? On a personal level, they're people that we know in the industry, and they're kind of coming together in one organization. To us, we really believe in what they're doing, and we really believe that they can pull off this aggressive and, from our perspective, very valuable coming together of these products. I'm so excited about what they're doing. It couldn't be a better time to be a partner of Ping.